How to download and install Uzum Market app. First of all, open the Play Store on your device and tap the search button in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type Uzum Market. Look carefully for the official app in the search results to ensure you are downloading the correct version from the developer Uzum. Tap on the app to open its page. Next, click the install button. The app will begin downloading immediately and the installation will start automatically once the download is complete. This process usually only takes a few moments depending on your internet speed. After the installation is finished, tap Open to launch the Uzum Market app. You might be asked to grant a few permissions for the app to function properly. Make sure to accept these to enjoy all features without interruptions. Once inside, you can either create a new account or log in using your existing credentials. Now you know how to download and install Uzum Market app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.